He's like, man, get some shit out my face. So cute. He's like, I'm ready for my close-up.
Austin, you have the hiccups.
Oh.